guys, this is Lauren and we were at SeaWorld Orlando for another update. Let's go inside and take a look. As you can see, we are just a little bit busy coming into the park today. We have the final day of the Spooktacular, so that's probably why we're looking a little bit busy. It's quite spoopy in here. Ah. Hey! Today is the last day for the Spooktacular, so that means the last day for candy. Okay, so I know that all y'all have your favorite candy, but the favorite candy of mine and Dan's is the fruit strip, so I'm on the lookout today. Looks like we might be getting ready for Christmas over here. We got a little Santa display and then some lights over here. Looks like we're moving into the Halloween to the Christmas over here.
Your visit is a chance for you to play a part in protecting our planet. Each ticket, each experience, helps fund wildlife rescue and rehabilitation efforts, habitat protections, and ocean health initiatives. Our mission is to see it here and save it there, from park to planet.
Well, that's going to do it for our update here from SeaWorld Orlando. Today we got to see some supports rising outside in the station and some tracks starting to arrive. Hopefully we'll see more in the coming days. As always, if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Midway Mayhem, and we will see you out on the Midway.